Hi all, have a nice day. Today we come with one new topic, sudden heart attack. We can discuss about it briefly, but we have to focus on how to control it. That is main important for everyone. Now we can go. First, why it is happen? What are the symptoms? How to we control it? Mainly 80% of people died because of coronary artery disease. The main blood vessel which is supplying the blood to the heart is blocked due to various substances. For example, cholesterol, atherosclerosis. Due to that, blood supply and oxygen level to reach the do not reach the heart and heartbeat disturb, heart attack happen. Patient will die. 80% people are being died because of this reason, and 20% cardiomyopathy and genetic reasons. In cardiomyopathy, due to obesity, alcoholism, and fibrosis. These are the main reasons. And symptoms. See, whenever before going to get the heart attack, a few symptoms will be observed. Please be careful on it. Nausea, vomiting, breathness problem means shortness of the breath, heart beating, palpitations, and neck, jaw, and abdominal pain. These are very very important. Whenever you have observed these things, just consult a doctor and get the medication and follow the prescriptions. You have to meet frequently and check all this. In the US, every year 3,25,000 people are died because of sudden heart attack. So natural deaths mainly due to sudden heart attacks. Maximum. This is studies. See how to control it. Generally, quit smoking and do not expose to the smoking. Do exercises and maintain the diet. Avoid red meat, seafood, and unboiled eggs and cherry seeds. Cherry seeds contain hydroxycyanide. It is very dangerous to the health. And exercise, yoga. These are all very very important. As well, always take the directions from the doctors. See, maintain the first aid kit. The kit contain must aspirin and nitroglycerin, which is prescribed by the doctor. See, doctor's importance is very much. Then, whenever heart attacks happen and symptoms will be observed, if the patient is conscious, take to him hospital and get the treatment, or take the advice by the phone from the doctor. If he is unconscious, this is very very important. It will take time to get the treatment in the hospital, to reach the hospital, to get the ambulance. It will take time. So before that we have to do emergency service. First aid we have to do. That is CPR. CPR is chest compressions. CPR means cardiac pulmonary resuscitation. How to do? How to perform this? This is very important. In developed countries, in training session for the professionals, irrespective of any professional, in training section, it is a part of the training session, this CPR. How to do? This is very important for everyone who is watching this video. 7 steps. Place your hand on the chest. Interlock your fingers and kept on the chest and do the compressions. Every 1 minute, 100 to 120 compressions. And open the mouth and give the rescue breath and observe the chest fall. and again do the compression until get the hospital or ambulance. See 7 steps. Again I am telling you, listen. Place your hand, interlock your fingers, start the compression, open the mouth and give rescue breaths, observe the chest fall and start again compressions. This is very important. Device also available, that is AED, automated extended defibrillator. This also, that's the device. It is available in the hospital. If you buy it, you can buy, no issue. So before reaching the hospital, if you do these things, the patient health will be stable. After reaching the hospital, doctor will be take care of the patient, no issue. Exercises and CPR and maintain first aid kits, this all very important. If you go for surgery, I will tell only simple thing here. They will insert the ICD device, it will maintain the heartbeat. ICD means implantable cardioverter defibrillator. Whenever the heartbeat is disturbed, it will be manage the heartbeat. This was inserted by the doctor in the surgery. See, in this video you have to learn how to control it by the exercise, diet, CPR, and you can practice CPR and provide the information to your family and surroundings and educate them. Everybody has to know CPR to rescue the people in every situation. Okay, my friends, thank you so much.